Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Keeping Up with MJ and I'm MJ. As you can see, I have a hair switch today and this is temporary because your girl is missing her sew-in. And if you didn't know, the hair that I had on before this was a sew-in. That wasn't my real hair. I had a little leave out, but it was very much giving real hair, wasn't it? I just took some Marley hair and I made this piece and I slicked my hair back and I'm good to go. I'm ready for the next thing. Today's video, I actually wanted to show you guys this new trench coat that I got from this brand called, don't want to butcher the name, it's called Shop ELAINE and George on Instagram. Definitely follow them and check out their pieces. Her name is Misha. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but she was nice enough to send over this trench to me and I want to show it to you guys because it's a dope trench. So let me show it to y'all right now. So it came in this box right here. It's pretty light because it's a trench, so wasn't expecting a heavy box, but oh, look at the initials on there. If you guys can see it, let me bring it closer. It's super cute. It says ELAINE and George. So she gave me this cute little note. Hey Marika, I hope you love this trench just as much as I do. Hopefully you'll get a lot of use out of it. Misha, see you on the gram. This is the trench. I got a size small. Go ahead and open her up. Oh, it's already giving quality trench, okay? So the dope thing about this trench is that you can wear it multiple ways. So you can wear it as a vest, you can wear it as a regular trench, or you can wear it as a shorter trench because you can zip the bottom part off. I'm going to be shooting myself in the trench outside because I kind of want the natural light and I want you guys to see full body. So we're going to continue the rest of the video outside where I show you guys how to actually disassemble the trench and the dopeness of this trench. Y'all see this? All my trench girlies, come in. So you can initially just wear it as a regular trench and it looks dope. The details are amazing, but I wanted to show you what you can do when you wear like a regular trench. Just zip it halfway and wear it like this. Like this is a vibe right here. And the look it's giving different and we love that here. But the second way is literally just zipping the whole thing off and putting it to the side. You can also just store it in your bag if you're outside and you want to transition your trench into a different look. But yeah, I love this look. It's so simple, so chic, and it literally just goes with everything. As you know, a trench goes with everything. But the third way is super easy as well. Zip the arms off, and again, you can store this in your bag, which makes it so functional. Oh, and I did not show it in the video, but you can like zip the arms a little bit open and give like a peek of the outfit you're wearing underneath the trench. So it kind of gives like a sneak peek and like a peekaboo kind of cute look, you know what I mean? But overall, it's a chic trench, like super dope, super stylish, and I'm obsessed. Hey guys, so I'm outside and I just shot it, as you can see, and I just showed you how to disassemble the trench, and it's such a vibe. Like, you cannot tell me it's not a vibe. Like, you will be lying. Definitely a must-have. And as you know, I'm trying to start my capsule wardrobe. I started the capsule wardrobe, and this right here is definitely a staple piece for the spring. Definitely can be worn multiple ways, multiple outfits, and it's very much giving that girl. You have to agree. Alright y'all, so now we're back and you saw the trench, and I took some photos as well, and I really love this trench. Like, you have no clue. When I first saw it, I was like, oh, this is dope as hell. But I was like, I don't even know if I could afford it right now. Like, it is worth the investment. Like, it's so dope. It's quality. You can wear it multiple ways, and if you know me, I like to get a lot of wear out of my stuff, and like I always say, we wear clothes here. The most use out of a trench, that's dope. That's a dope invention right there. I love it. Definitely gonna be seeing me in it this spring, and I'm gonna wear it down until I can't wear it no more. Obviously until it's summertime, but you get what I'm saying. Definitely gonna link the trench in my description box because you guys gotta check it out and check out her other pieces. She has like other dope blazers and jackets and stuff. Like, check it out, okay? I'm putting out on right now, so definitely give her a follow, give her a like, give her a comment, and just shout her out because she's a black owned business. And if you're a black girl, a black woman, you know you gotta support your own, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting. If you're not following me, or if you're new here, please make sure to give your girl a follow or a YouTube subscription. Basically, just subscribe to my channel. Bye.